Imagine waking up to money in your account, earned while you slept. That's the power of passive income, and Airbnb offers one of the most accessible avenues to achieve it. By renting out your spare room, apartment, or entire house, you can create a steady stream of income without a traditional 9-to-5. Whether you're looking to supplement your primary income, save for a down payment, or achieve financial freedom, Airbnb can be your ticket to financial success. The beauty of Airbnb lies in its flexibility. You decide when and how often to list your property, allowing you to tailor your hosting experience to your lifestyle. Whether you prefer short-term stays, weekend getaways, or longer-term rentals, Airbnb empowers you to call the shots. And with the right approach, you can generate substantial income while providing memorable experiences for travelers worldwide. But before you dive in, it's crucial to understand the ins and outs of becoming a successful Airbnb host. From setting up your listing to providing exceptional guest experiences, every step plays a vital role in maximizing your earnings and building a thriving Airbnb business. In the following sections, we'll guide you through the essential steps to make the most of your Airbnb venture and pave your path toward financial freedom. Your Airbnb listing is your virtual storefront, so it's crucial to make it shine. High-quality photos are paramount. Showcase your property's best features with well-lit, professionally staged images that capture its charm and amenities. Next, craft a compelling description that highlights your property's unique selling points. Be clear, concise, and emphasize what sets your space apart from the competition. Don't forget to outline essential details such as the number of bedrooms and bathrooms, sleeping arrangements, available amenities, and house rules. Transparency is key to attracting the right guests and avoiding any misunderstandings down the line. Finally, set a competitive price that reflects the value you offer while considering factors like location, seasonality, and demand. Research similar listings in your area to get a feel for the going rates. Not all properties are created equal when it comes to Airbnb success. Location plays a pivotal role in attracting guests and maximizing your earning potential. Ideally, your property should be situated in a desirable area with easy access to attractions, transportation, restaurants, and entertainment options. Think about what would appeal to travelers visiting your city or town. If you're considering purchasing a property specifically for Airbnb, research areas with high tourism demand and a proven track record of short-term rental success. Remember, accessibility is key. Ensure your property is easy to find, with clear directions and convenient access to public transportation or ample parking. A well-chosen location can make all the difference in attracting a steady stream of guests and maximizing your Airbnb revenue. Pricing your Airbnb listing strategically is crucial for achieving maximum occupancy and profit. Start by researching similar listings in your area to understand the going rates. Then, consider the unique features and amenities your property offers and price accordingly. Keep in mind factors like seasonality, local events, and holidays, which can influence demand and allow you to adjust your rates. Offering discounts for longer stays or last-minute bookings can also help fill vacancies and boost your earnings. Regularly review and update your pricing strategy to stay competitive and ensure you're maximizing your potential income.